It's Mila at WTI, and I have Aduro Sports Thigh and Arm Toner. And I know this doesn't look like much, but when you're on the go and you're trying to keep fit, this is a great thing to travel around with. And it's not just for the thighs. A lot of us think this is just a thigh toner. You can use it for the chest and arms. And for certain areas that are really hard to target with weights, unless you have a gym membership, this actually makes it simple. Like the inner thigh is really hard to target, but because of the construction, it does in fact work great for toning those hard to reach inner thigh muscles. And of course, there's different positions you can use it, like above the head, in front of the chest, behind the back, and even between the thighs like a traditional thigh toner. I love this thing, and it's a great addition to your gym equipment at home. That's my point of view.